Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Olympic silver medalist Wayne Pinnock will be among the first Jamaicans in action on today's opening day of the two-day Diamond League final in Brussels, Belgium. Pinnock will be joined by fellow Olympians Kieran McLeod and Tajay Gale in the men's long jump, which is just about getting underway. 6 other Jamaicans are down to compete today, including Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts and Olympic finalist Akeelia Smith in the women's triple jump. Frederick Dakers, who has not competed since June, is also listed to compete in the men's discus throw, while Daniel Thomas Dodd will contest the women's shot put event. On the track, national record holder Rashawn Clark and national champion Malik James King are listed for the men's 400-meter hurdles. The women's equivalent will feature Olympic finalist Cheyenne Salmon, as well as Andrea Knight and Genevieve Russell. National record holder Akira Nugent will be going for her third straight Diamond League win when she competes in the women's 100-meter hurdles alongside world champion Danielle Williams. 2023 national champion Rohan Watson and world indoor 60-meter bronze medalist Akeem Blake will line up in the men's 100 meters. President of the Jamaica Cricket Association Athol Hamilton has called for transparency after news emerged that countryman Patrick Gustard will be removed from the international umpires panel. Trinidad and Tobago's Joel Wilson is the only West Indian on the ICC elite panel of international umpires, which has 12 members. Below that level is an international panel where each test-playing nation has 4 umpires on the panel. For the West Indies, Gustard, Barbadians Gregory Brathwaite and Leslie Reefer, as well as Guyanese Nigel Duguid are the officials on the list. It's understood that Gustard and Duguid will be removed from the list. Having written to the top brass of Cricket West Indies on Monday, Hamilton says he's yet to see a response. St. Lucia Kings defeated St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots by 5 wickets in their Caribbean Premier League match at the Darren Sammy Stadium on Thursday night. Sent to bat, the Patriots first posted 173 for 3 off their 20 overs. Captain Andre Fletcher led the way with 62, while Riley Rousseau made an even 50. Alzari Joseph took 2 for 38. In reply, the Kings posted 176 for 5 in 16.5 overs to achieve victory. They were led by Johnson Charles, who blasted 74 off 42 balls with 4 fours and 6 sixes, as well as Faf du Plessis, who hammered 62 off 31 balls, including 5 fours and 5 sixes. Charles and du Plessis also shared in a 115-run opening partnership. The competition continues this evening with Barbados Royals taking on Trinbago Knight Riders at Kensington Oval starting at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. And that is it for your midday sports roundup. I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's it for your midday sports roundup and concludes the midday news package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.